Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TEST token. Ticker symbol is TST. Now this token is trending number one right now in the Binance Smart Chain section on DEX Screener. Very popular token today. It's up almost 20,000%. It's got multiple very big central exchange listings starting today. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, trending number one right now on DEX Screener, the TEST token, ticker symbol TST, on the Binance Smart Chain, has a market cap and a fully diluted valuation of $11.6 million. In the past 24 hours, this token is up almost 17,000%. In the past 6 hours, it's up over 1,400%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $67 million. They've had over 48,000 transactions today. And this token pair was actually just created 11 hours, 5 minutes ago. So hot off the press, brand new token. So it says dev's previous project hit 100 billion. So that's, I mean, a tiny little blurb there on DEX Screener. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's just what it's saying. And it says here they have a 10 lightning bolts marketing boost ads button is live on DEX Screener. So they have been promoting themselves on DEX Screener. It says test token deployed by Binance. Now, it says there's a Twitter, and if you click on the Twitter, it actually just takes you to a post. And this post is from CZ, the CEO or former CEO. I don't know what he is now, maybe partial CEO. I don't know what he is. But anyways, you know what I'm talking about. He had some issues. CZ still, I mean, when people think Binance, they think CZ no matter whether he's the current CEO or not. But anyways, CZ... at CZ_Binance is his Twitter. You can check it out there. He has 9.5 million Twitter followers. So he just tweeted out recently, it says, a tricky situation. A BNB chain team member just told me this. And then here's some quotes here. It says, we did the step-by-step video education for launching meme token on 4.meme platform. And that's a Binance platform. There's been the 4 token with him going, the very popular meme of him going like this with the number 4. All sorts of 4 tokens came out after that. But anyways, it says, in this video, we launched a token named TST as the example. So that is where the idea for this token comes from, is the TEST token. And it's named TST as the example, it said. And it says, when we posted the educational video yesterday, there is one frame at 1 minute 18 seconds where the name gets uncovered. And it says Chinese community KOL starts to trade this token and promote this token. And now the market cap of this token is $494,000. And it's way more than that now. Now it is in the millions. So this is an older tweet, obviously. And yeah, now it is $11.5 million. So it's way higher than that. And it says the team member deleted the video upon learning about it, but the internet does not forget. And it says, see, I recommend they put the video tutorial back it is what it is. This is not an endorsement for me of this token, and the team member also deleted the private key for the creator address used in the tutorial, which holds 0.13% of this token, and no one on the team or Binance holds any of that token. This is not an official token by the BNB chain team or anyone. It is a test token used just for that video tutorial, nothing more. Happy trading. And then it actually has a link to the 4.meme token video and address and all that type of stuff on the on that tweet. And then there's some funny tweets underneath from people, like here's one from 1 hour ago. It says, next tutorial, how to accidentally leak a token and make $500,000 in 24 hours. Step 1, record a video. Step 2, accidentally reveal the contract. Step 3, watch apes, FOMO. Step 4, profit. Crypto is wild. So yeah, that's a funny tweet there. But yeah, speaking of Twitter, check out my new Twitter I just made a couple days ago. It's in the description box down there. But now this test token is live on multiple big central exchanges as well. So you can get this test token now off of Lbank and Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search TST, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So TST, you would search on Mexc or on Lbank, could be listed on other exchanges as well. Tons of big tokens are being listed today, tomorrow, yesterday on Mexc, so check out my other videos talking about these huge projects. But you can also get this token, obviously, off Pancakeswap if you wanted to, by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the TST token using the contract address you could find on their BSC scan, DEX tools, DEX screener, etc. Just make sure you have the right contract address. There's probably some copycat tokens out there, so just be aware of that. Now there's 18 decimal places on this token. Token has almost 7,000 holders right now, and max total supply is 1 billion tokens. So go check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.